it will offer a extended version of how to make money with simply collecting emails. Now, I also created this video so people can see a sneak peek of the ebook and what I have to offer. So it says what is CPA marketing and what it does. CPA marketing, when it comes to marketing methods and strategies, there are certainly effective approaches, and then there's the right way to achieve success in CPA marketing. So CPA marketing stands for cost per action. Unlike pay per click, now I haven't really found a strategy where you can get paid for literally getting clicks, but I have found a strategy where you can get paid for collecting emails. So this particular ebook will go over a lot of information for you guys. It also has a few examples so that you guys can see how to promote your own product, as well as what to look for. So when it comes to collecting emails, there is a way you can get paid, and I discussed this years ago, but I'm at a point where I'm trying to figure out how to present the knowledge that I've learned over the years, and I created this ebook for you guys so that you guys don't take as much time as I took in order to succeed at this. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in getting started with literally just collecting emails, getting paid from that, this particular ebook does give you the sauce and teaches you what to look for, how to promote, and steps that you need to take in order to make that happen for yourself. So like this video, leave a comment if you guys want to ask me anything. I'm very open to sharing as much knowledge as I know. I will be coming to you guys more to present you guys with more valuable information over the time. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys for supporting me, and I hope anything that I present to you guys is very helpful. That is the ultimate goal, and I have a genuine heart, so I just want to help you guys with something solid that you guys can take and run with in the long run. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.